Welcome. In front of me is an OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like so, and you can swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages you should have the power saving mode visible, or here, yep, it's called power saving. So you can see it right over here for me on the second page. Once you find yours, wherever it might be on one of the pages, you can then simply click on it. It just highlights it in blue and gives you no kind of info what will be changed. So I think we can actually hold this and go into the power saving mode. And here we have a couple of informations regarding the power saving mode. So this one obviously just states that it is enabled, automatically turns off power saving mode when the battery is charged to 90%. That's pretty cool. Turn on at specific battery levels, so it automatically will turn on your power saving mode when your battery is at 25% or below. And then we have default customizations. Here we have the changes, so reduce screen brightness, change auto screen timer to 15 seconds, disable background sync, and lowers the screen refresh rate. The most egregious one out of all of them will probably be the disable background sync. This is a very vague term, but what it refers to is your Wi-Fi and mobile data being turned off when you're not using the device. So when you lock it like so, after a couple of minutes it will go into sleep mode and then disconnect to preserve battery life. And during that time you will not be receiving any kind of notifications from apps that require internet connection, as there is no internet connection on the device at that time. So just be very wary of that. If you rely on your notifications being delivered to you on time, you might want to disable this specific option right here. But anyway, with that being said, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can quickly turn it off by finding the toggle once more and simply tapping on it once again, and this will turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.